If you prefer to keep your domain hosted by a third party, or you're unable to transfer your domain to Squarespace, you can still use it with your Squarespace site. You can either use DNS Connect or Nameserver Connect to do so. To start a domain connection, navigate to Settings, Domains and Email, Domains, then click Use a domain I own. Enter your domain name and proceed. Click Connect Domain. Our system will direct you to either Nameserver Connect or DNS Connect based on your domain provider. DNS Connect involves adding our default DNS records with your current domain host. See our guide link in the description for our default DNS records. These changes may take some time to propagate. Please note that while we can offer general guidance for these records, we recommend contacting your domain host if you have issues. Nameserver Connect involves setting your third-party domain to use Squarespace's nameservers. First, start the domain connection process. Then, you'll change the nameservers via your third-party domain host. Once this is complete, you can modify, add, and delete the domain's DNS records through Squarespace. As a reminder, most domain names can be transferred to Squarespace, so you can manage them together with your website. Visit the guide link in the description to learn more. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.